Hey, how's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you the Ring doorbell. If you don't know it yet, this Ring doorbell has 720 pixels high definition video. It has two-way audio. It has motion detection. It's rechargeable, or you can connect it to the wires from your existing doorbell. It obviously has Wi-Fi connection, and the camera has 180-degree angle. Now, when you open the box, what you're going to find inside is going to be instructions. You're going to find the doorbell. It's going to have a screwdriver, double-sided. One side is going to be a Phillips, on the other side is going to be the, what is it, like star shaped. And then you're also going to have the screws and anchors. There's going to be like a sticker to put on the window. Now, before you start installing it, the first thing that you should do is get the app on your phone. Just if you have an Android, go to the Android store or the Apple store and look for Ring. Once you have it downloaded on your phone, create an account if you don't have one yet, and you're gonna have to take a picture from the label that you saw at the beginning, that one right there, or from the back of the doorbell. It also has another label. It's like a QR code. You're also going to have to make sure that it's charged at the beginning, because if it doesn't have any charge at all, it's going to take a long time to turn on if you are doing it hardwired. If not, you're obviously want to charge it at least 100% before you start using it. Now we're going to go over the installation right now, but I'm going to be telling you what I like and I don't like about the product. What I like is that it can be battery operated, so you don't even need to use the existing wires from your doorbell. You can just put it anywhere where you want and then buy like an additional chime. I also like that it's really easy to install. It didn't take me more than 20 minutes to put it up. It has lifetime purchase protection. If it gets stolen, Ring is going to replace it for you. What I don't like now is that the app, it's a little too much for me. I would prefer it if it was easier to use. It has like a lot of functions that I don't really need. The video quality was 720. It's considered high definition, but when I looked at it on my phone, it didn't look as good as I wanted it. Another thing, that if you want to store your videos, you will have to pay about $3 a month after the 30-day trial to be able to store the videos on the cloud. There is other companies that are doing that for free. They let you store your videos for like 14-15 days without having to pay any fee a month for it.